Welcome! In this lesson, I will teach you the long vowels in Arabic. In previous lesson, we learned about short vowels, fatha, damma, and kasra. We call them short because the sound is quick. When we want to make a sound longer, we add a letter after the short vowel. This is called a long vowel. There are 3 long vowels in Arabic. Alif for a, not short a. It's a. Waw for oo, oo. Ya for e, e. Let's look about Alif. When a letter has fatha and it's followed by Alif, we get a long a sound. Example, ba, ba. Can you hear the difference? Now let me show you more real words. Kana, kana means he was. Notice how the alif stretches the ka to ka. Raha, raha means he went. Without alif, it will just be rah. But now it's raha. La'ab, la'ab means player. Again, the alif stretches the a sound to a. Now let's move to the second long vowel. Waw makes the oo sound. Example, boo, not boo. It's boo. Let's see it in the words. Ruh, ruh means soul. You don't say ruh. You say ruh, long and smooth. Finally, the third long vowel, ya, give us the e sound. Not e, it's e sound. Example, ni in short, ni the long one. Now let's see some real words. Feel, feel means elephant. Kitabi, kitabi means my book. The e at the end comes from kasra plus ya. Alright everyone, let's now learn about something that's really important in Arabic, the semi-vowels. In Arabic, we have 2 semi-vowels, waw and ya. We call them semi because they are not full vowels by themselves, but they help stretch a short vowel into long vowels. And we call them semi only when they come after fatha. That's all for today's lesson on long vowels. Next time, I'll explain more clearly about semi-vowel and diphthongs. Don't miss it. Bye!